Okay, so the first object of this video is going to be Newton's laws. So Newton's first law states an object at rest remains at rest and an object in motion remains at a constant speed and in a straight line unless acted on by an uncalled force.
All right, so Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object is directly related to the net force and indirectly related to the mass.
Hello class. So today we talked about the first two laws, and now I'm just going to be covering the third law for y'all. So the third law is every action has an equal and opposite reaction. And yeah.
Using the cradle, we can see Newton's three laws by first showing that when a force is applied to the ball, we can see the gravitational potential energy, and when released, the ball is given an acceleration through gravitational kinetic energy, which shows Newton's first and second law. And the third law is shown when momentum is carried through the balls to the other side.
Okay, so now we're going to talk about potential and kinetic energy. Potential energy is stored up energy, and kinetic energy is energy in the motion of being used. Also, energy cannot be created or destroyed, it's transferred.
Hello class. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about momentum. So momentum is P equals mv, and that's just momentum equals mass and velocity. So momentum, in simple words, is just the quantity of motion that an object has. So our next question is, how does impulse relate to momentum? An impulse is just a change in momentum. So impulse is nothing. It's the same thing as momentum. So when you see P in the formula, it's the same thing as momentum.
So in Newton's cradle, we have elastic and inelastic energy shown. So elastic energy or bouncy collision is where one kinetic energy is conserved or the same before and after a collision. And then in inelastic in Newton's cradle, also known as sticky collision, there's no kinetic energy conserved. It's absorbed by its surroundings. So as a result, both of the objects will stick together and move forward together.
Okay, so we're gonna look at some energy transformations from the cradle. We don't actually have the cradle because another group is using the cradle. But so basically the cradle has 5 balls on it, and you take a ball and you lift it and it hits the other ball and the other side bounces off because the momentum and the force and the everything just working together. And so some energy transformations we see is sound when balls hit. We also see heat. There's always heat and energy transformations, and that's it. Okay, for the last little skit of our video, we thought it would be really fun and have a little bit of fun. So we're gonna show y'all a little bit of potential kinetic energy. So this is Hannah and her cousin, and she's just gonna take over and show y'all a little bit of potential kinetic energy.
Okay, so we have this glove filled with water, and as I rear back my hand, this is potential energy. But as I go like this, it's kinetic.
Yeah. Thank y'all for watching.